Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Today we will talk about a country that's more than just chocolates, cheese and snowy mountains. Switzerland, a landlocked nation in the heart of Europe, has long been associated with peace, luxury, watches and scenic landscapes. But behind this calm exterior lies a powerhouse of creativity, innovation and invention. Despite being small in size and politically neutral, Switzerland has impacted the world in remarkable ways. From scientific breakthroughs and engineering marvels to simple tools we use every day, the Swiss mind has been quietly but powerfully shaping our lives. Today, we are exploring 20 incredible inventions and contributions Switzerland has gifted to the world. Some will surprise you, and some you probably use every day without knowing their origin. 20 inventions given by Switzerland. Number 1 on our list is Swiss Army Knife. The iconic multi-tool invented in the 1890s is now a symbol of utility and precision. Velcro, inspired by birds in the Swiss Alps, George de Menstral invented this hook and loop fastener in 1941. Toblerone chocolate, the unique triangle-shaped chocolate bar, was born in Bern, inspired by the Matterhorn mountain. Absinthe, modern distillation. Though controversial, this strong herbal spirit originated in Switzerland in the 18th century. The Red Cross, founded by Swiss humanitarian Henry Dunant in 1863 to protect and assist victims of war. World Wide Web encryption. Swiss scientists helped develop the technology at CERN to secure websites. European Organization for Nuclear Research, home of the Large Hadron Collider and birthplace of a World Wide Web. Aluminium foil, first mass produced by Dr. Lauber in Switzerland in 1910, wrapped chocolate and preserved food. Helvetica font, one of the most popular and widely used typefaces in the world, developed in 1957. Nescafe instant coffee. Nestle, based in Switzerland, launched this groundbreaking coffee innovation in the 1930s. LSD, discovered by Swiss chemist Albert Hofmann in 1938, controversial but historically significant. Magnetic tape recording, used in early audio recordings, it was co-developed by Swiss engineer Fritz Fulmer. Rega, Swiss Air Rescue Service, a globally admired not-profit emergency air service, pioneering in mountain rescues. The zipper. While non-invented in Switzerland, the practical and widespread use was refined by Swiss engineers. Hearing aids, modern, miniaturized. Switzerland's advancement in many electronics helped produce portable hearing aids. Solar-powered planes. Switzerland developed Solar Impulse, the first aircraft to fly around the world on solar power. Switch watches, quartz revolution. In 1969, quartz watch innovation revolutionized the global timekeeping industry. Doodle, scheduling app, a Swiss developed tool simplifying group scheduling across the globe. Direct democracy. Switzerland's unique political model inspired participatory governments worldwide. Luxury timepieces industry. Swiss craftsmanship established the gold standard for luxury watches, Rolex, Omega, etc. So next time you check the time on your watch, zip up your jacket, sweeten your coffee with a bit of Toblerone or schedule a meeting on Doodle, pause and give a little thanks to Switzerland. This neutral nation, often tucked away in news headlines, has quietly gifted the world with tools, technology and ideas that shaped our everyday lives. Switzerland proves that innovation doesn't always come with loud headlines. It can be precise, quiet and deeply impactful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment which Swiss invention surprised you the most, and let us know which country you want us to explore next in our What They Give to the World series. Still, next time, stay curious, stay inspired. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye from my side.